What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Real Truth Fishing. Isaiah here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to rig up a jig head. It's going to be a super quick video, so stay tuned, and I'm going to teach you guys how to fish and rig up soft plastic on a jig head. Let's jump right into it. So this right here is the finished product, and I'm going to show you guys how we got to it. All right, so this right here is a jig head. It's just a hook with a head basically, and the head is just there for weight pretty much, and also to help with presentation, but mostly just to keep it down in the water because as you can see, it has some weight to it. Depending on the size of the jig head, that's going to determine how deep in the water it sinks and how fast you have to reel to keep it off the bottom. So generally speaking, you'll fish heavier jig heads in stronger current. So if the current's not strong where you are, you really don't need that big of a jig head. This is, I think, a 1/4 ounce jig head, and this one is honestly kind of big for my liking, especially. Yeah, so I'm not going to show you guys how to tie on the hook. I already have mine tied onto my leader here. If you want to learn how to tie that knot, just go ahead and check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to check out that video and learn how to tie a hook on. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to get this soft plastic. You can use any type of soft plastic. This is Slam Shady 2.0, one of my favorite fishing lures. And you can use any regular old paddle tail. Paddle tail lures are one of my favorite, if not my favorite, inshore lure to fish with. They're just super versatile. You can catch so much stuff on them. You can catch reds, trout, flounder, mangrove snapper. Am I missing anything? Probably missing fish there, but you can catch pretty much anything that swims in the intercoastal on these lures. So to set it up, all you have to do is take the end, or I guess the head of your soft plastic, feed the tip of the hook through it just like this. Hopefully you guys can see this just fine. And you want the back, so it's going to go up over it kind of like so and slide on like that. So you want to make sure the back is positioned directionally whichever way it needs to be, because it's going to flip around and you want it to have a proper upright presentation like this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slide the tip of the hook through the end of your soft plastic just like so. And depending on the size of the hook and depending on the size of the soft plastic, usually you want to go about 1/3 of the way through the soft plastic, slide it up 1/3 of the way through. That seems to be the money spot mostly, so that's what I'm going to do. And once you slide it up, you can also just kind of go to this joint. Usually that sometimes works, mostly depending on the jig head, but I tend to use that as a reference. So once you have it looking like this, you don't want to throw this in the water. That would not be good. You're not going to catch anything at all. I don't care how good of a fisherman you are. Next, all you're going to do is poke the tip of the hook out through the back. You're going to kind of keep sliding it up as you do that, and poke that tip of the hook out the back, and slide it up, and poke it out the back, and slide it up until it's all the way butted up to that head of your jig head. And boom, that is literally it. Your soft plastic is rigged up perfectly. You see how straight it is? That's exactly what you're looking for. Now, if you have it all twisted up like something like this, or like if that's in the water, it's going to look way worse than it just lined up. So just line it up. Just take your time, rig it properly, make sure it's all nice and straight, so you can catch as many fish as possible. Fish are finicky creatures, and so I'm going to give them the best bait presentation possible in order to catch them. There's a couple of different ways you can fish this. You can bounce it off the bottom. You can just pull it straight through the water column and let the paddle tail do its thing. You can jig it up and down. I usually like to bounce it off the bottom or reel it slowly, keeping it a little bit off bottom, depending on where I'm at, depending on like what the bottom contour looks like, oysters or if it's grass or just sand. Depends on all those factors. But that is how you rig up a soft plastic on a jig head. Hopefully this taught somebody something, or hopefully you guys just enjoyed the video in general. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Isaiah. This is Real Truth Fishing. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. If you think I did a terrible job explaining how to set this up, tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear all of your criticism. And if you liked the video or just have any questions or any suggestions on future videos or what else you guys want to know, please drop it all in the comments. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.